Hello, students. Good morning. All right, or afternoon, or depending on what time you're listening to this. Okay, so just a recap of what you're going to be doing today. Remember, if you have questions, you can ask them here. I know I got some, so I'm going to put together a video of that. You should have done the Schofield mine disaster, and then um, you need to do the Daniel J. Jackling entrance ticket. So when you click on that, okay, it takes you to a Google form, and you're going to go to that website. Okay, and then you're going to look and see what he was the father of. That's what you need to know for the test. Okay, and then there's just a picture so you can kind of see the difference between open pit mining and then underground mining. Okay, what 3 to 4 things did he do to earn this title? Okay, so look in the second paragraph. And how would this method impacted Utah's economy, people, and communities? So think about Kennecott Copper Mine. And does that impact the economy? Oh, all the copper, and they also get mine gold and silver from there as well. Oh, does that provide jobs? That would impact the economy. And then, like the metals that the copper it's selling to other people and bringing money into the state of Utah, the people that it's giving jobs. Oh, and thinking that gives jobs, so the community that's going to help build communities. And think about Daybreak as a planned community by Kennecott Copper Mine. Hmm, lots of impact there. Then, just in case you don't have to watch this video, but if you want to know more about that Kennecott Copper and how things are mined, you can do that. Don't forget to hit submit there. All right. Then you're going back to the mining disasters. Okay. And if you need to go and finish this, you can do that. Somebody emailed me and told me there's a website that's acting up on here. So if there is, let me know. I didn't know which one, but I can go in through and try and fix it for you. Okay. But go through this one. Don't forget this one right here. So it says use the following website to answer in the next few questions. It's by question 14. You want to click on that link, and it says sort the mining disaster chart by the state. Find Utah. It should appear on page 6. So when you click on that, okay, you have to go here to where it says state. And then remember, Utah state initials are UT. So I'm going to go down. Whoa, I scrolled too far. No. There we go. And 5, 6. Okay, and then here is, whoa, I have to scroll up quite a bit. Okay, here is Utah right here. Ooh, that should sound familiar, right? All right, so that's how you find the answer on that one. I'm trying to think if there's anything else, but you should have today to finish that up. Okay, and then so don't forget the exit ticket tomorrow. We're going to be talking about labor unions, and then we're going to get into the trial of Joe Hill. So that's kind of like where we're heading. And then we're going to start World War I soon. So I hope you're getting excited. That'll be after spring break. Okay, so we'll see you out there.